So, on today's episode of Why the F is Everything Breaking, I'm currently working on my 1995 F-150, which is being my daily for a little bit because my Scion TC is currently waiting on CV axles to arrive. My dad's Ford Explorer is waiting on a new 3-low aluminum radiator to arrive after I install those BTF extended upper control arms, which should be uploaded by today, maybe? That video of me installing that. The Crown Vic is currently waiting for a new fuel pump, and actually the van's running good, so good job on the van. But like I said, this guy is having an issue of the aft fuel tank just overflowing like crazy. But that's not going to be the focus on today's video. That's going to be this little guy right here, which is a coolant and windshield washer reservoir bottle, because the one that's currently in this truck is cracked and leaking, causing me to lose coolant. And albeit that does seem like a super easy video to make and install, but I guarantee you somebody out there is going to find it helpful, so I'm going to make it. Holy damn. Well, this seems a lot that's empty. Crap. Okay, that's not good. Anyway, is there anything in my radiator? Please don't let that be in. That is empty too. Okay, never mind. This is going to be definitely a very important video to make. So right here you can see my coolant overflow bottle. This is how it came when I bought the truck. It's one of those things that, you know, you kind of have to expect for a truck that you buy from $800 on Facebook Marketplace. But seeing as it's been really reliable ever since I did all the other coolant work, I can't really knock this truck. It's been amazing. It's currently being held in by what appears to be twine, but it's been really good twine. Actually, no, it's not. I'm pretty sure the shaking is why I've lost all the coolant. And now that I look at it, I don't think these things are the same size. Oh no, they're good. Whew, that got scary for a second. So, looks like it's only being held in by one bolt and one connector, so let's go from there. That plus, this thing is so dirty that oh my god, this is made like shit. Wow. I hope this thing is better than... Okay. Suddenly I feel really nervous. Anyway, might as well get this thing in here. So it looks like this thing just gets held in by one bolt and some twine. I'm gonna cut this bolt, take this bolt off, and then cut my twine so I can get ready to pull this thing out. So it looks like this is gonna be an 11mm bolt. Part of me was really hoping it would be a 10, but fuck it. Nice, needs to come out. Yeah, this thing is like barely hanging on for dear life at this point. Keep in mind, this one bolt has been holding it in for like a year, so that's probably why it's just like so ready to give up. Yeah, so now next thing we do is pull this thing out, whatever the hell this is. So then this little clip needs to come off. And then this little hose. Actually, I don't think it's leaking anywhere. Maybe I'll keep it as a backup. I'm gonna go get a small flathead screwdriver to take the electrical connector for the washer bottle off. I'll be right back. Okay, so now this guy came off. All you need to do is open these two little clips out and just pulls right out. That is pretty simple, but I feel like that's also gonna be really easy to break depending on how old your truck or how brittle it is in your truck. So, next step is this coolant line right here, which is just going to be a little plier to pull out. And after that is the windshield blotter little hose clampy thingy. I think that one doesn't really have anything on it, just pops on, pops off. So let's go from here, pull this thing off. Now, is this plier very much overkill? Is it technically even a plier? But, am I going to use it? Yes. Yeah, no, there was no coolant in that thing. Oh shit, now I'm worried. Let's get this thing off right here. Just pulls out just like that. Oh, that came out pretty easy. Never mind. Nope. Okay, so step 2 is going to be just to put everything back onto this new one. So this one goes onto here, just like so. Let's hope it actually stays on, maybe. Okay, now this one goes onto here. And I'll apply that one in. Cover the twine. Plug this thing back in like so. And it has a little groove that notches into here. Get the rest of the twine out. So the groove notches in there, but it also slides in just like that back over there. Okay, that's surprisingly way more secure. Well, not surprisingly, but like still much better. And I just tighten up this one bolt and put some coolant and washer fluid in it. Nice. Actually, let me start by putting the washer fluid that came out of it in there. And boom, just like that, something I probably should have done a year ago is nice and easily completed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure this is the same process on the OBS Bronco and probably all the other F-Series trucks. Either way, it's super quick, super simple, and it actually just feels a lot better to be able to see into the coolant reservoir and see that you have coolant in there and not like rusty, gunky mess that inhibits your vision to see how much coolant you have. But now the radiator is topped off, this guy is topped off, and I can get back to worrying about my leaking fuel tank or overflowing aft tank, which is probably a little bit more dangerous. But yeah, nice and simple video. Took about 20 minutes, and there you go. If you like this video and want to see more of me fixing old beat up cars, hit subscribe, and if you like the video, hit like. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.